All right, online superstars, this is Mark Gray with a Hidden Goldmine review. All right, now this is about a new platform, relatively new. It's actually a platform that I bought something from recently, and if you go back and look on my YouTube channel, I actually did a negative review of what I bought on this platform. So let me jump to my screen. Now, if you're on YouTube, click the link below. You'll go to my full written review, and it's very detailed. It goes into what the platform is. There's some images on there. It's a very safe place. You're not going to get, malware or anything. I keep my website very fast and very well looked after. And these are the bonuses. I decided to put some bonuses together. This one I made this morning. It's just a PDF, and it talks about this new platform called Whop.com. Now, I'd never heard of Whop.com before, and you know what? It's a platform that I probably wouldn't have looked at again unless I had went through this training. Now, to say that this training that I'm about to show you is just about Whop.com would be a lie, because the training it's about so many different angles, aspects, other platforms that you can combine and use together. So it's the training is very packed, is what I'm trying to say. So anyway, these are the bonuses. These three products are products that I bought for myself, and I am giving you the right to get access to them. Okay, so you can read these yourself. I don't want to go, I don't want to go deep into what they're all about, but you can trust me when I say that they will help you. They're about traffic. They're about things that I use in my business. All right. So, and then you can scroll down to the bottom, click here to check this pack training out. Now, clicking this link will take you to the sales page, which is here. Now, I'm going to refresh the sales page because I thought it was a bit messy when I looked at it yesterday, but it still is a bit messy, really. But okay, so this is the kind of sales page I like. I'm not going to go through it all, but at the very beginning, we have, showing how much money has been made. That's the kind of thing I like to see in a sales page. I'm not going to go all the way down and look at it and read over it. You guys can do that, and you know how to do it by clicking the link below this video, scrolling down to the bottom of my website, and clicking that beautiful click here to check this pack training out. All right, and you'll go to the sales page. You can have a read over. Now, the actual members area. So the members area starts like here. Okay, we have the big picture, the big reveal. Now, the big reveal is kind of like, whoa, it's whop.com. Okay, great. So we know what the platform is. But I don't really like this idea, the big reveal. It's not something I feel like when you say that, it's like, oh, the big reveal, it's just this one thing. But in this training, it's not. I'm just going to scroll down, right? Before I say any more. Look how much excuse me, look how much training is in this, right? So you have the big picture, the big reveal. This marketplace is full of crazy opportunities. Let's kick off the magic. You'll be stunned. From zero to seller, fast, from zero to seller. Create your first product in 1 minute, in 2 minutes, in 3 minutes, in 4 minutes. And then it goes on to talk about Discord. And this is something I have to say, I didn't even know that you could do this with Telegram and Discord. And it's really something that I could see myself, maybe starting, because it's something that you set up and you do once, and you can use this platform, Whop, to sell anything on. And that, when I say anything, I mean anything. So then earn both as an affiliate and a seller at once, unlocking the power of free, unlocking the power of free too. From work to wallet, from crickets to clicks, on demand traffic, turn simple slides into real traffic, turn top 10 listen to traffic. I mean, look, I could just go on and on and spend 2 hours going through and reviewing this, but I'm going to sum it up. Right, so you finally made it. Now, some of the videos are short.
All
This
right,
one's this one's 1 minute. This one
hey
is
guys.
five. So it's not like you have hours and hours and hours of training to go through. The main platform is whop.com. Now, there's also very many different ways that you can set something up on whop.com, and there's already a marketplace. I've went through enough of this training to know what it's about and to know that's definitely something that's on my to-do list now. um, that there's a marketplace, so you can create things and sell them on whop.com, or you can sell things as an affiliate on whop.com. So it's really a place where a lot of people are already coming, with their wallets open, ready to buy, and you are able to get in front of them, which is quite rare, to find a marketplace or a platform, social media, where people are ready to buy. Most people go onto these kind of platforms with their wallet, in the kitchen downstairs. They're not ready to buy at all, but on this platform, for some reason, people are buying all different kinds of things. And the stats, when I looked at Whop, you can have a look yourself. They've sold over, they've done over $1 billion in sales. So that shows you there's a lot of people there already. Now, Max, who is, I would say, is the guy who knows most about this. He is talking a lot about, how to create a simple product, how to get that simple product onto Whop, how to how to drive different types of traffic so you can earn both as an affiliate and a seller. I think this is a really, really good training, if I'm honest. I didn't know what to expect. I never know what to expect when I get, review access from Max and James. Um, and this one is one that if I had bought, I would be happy with, because, like I said, I went on to Whop via Facebook. Somebody got me on Facebook with a sales page, and I went to whop.com and I bought it through Whop. Now, at the time, I didn't know what whop.com was. I thought it was just like a page builder, like ClickFunnels or something like that. Definitely not that. Um, and I went and I bought something. Now, what I bought really wasn't what I was after, and I made a review about it, and it was a pretty negative review. But that doesn't mean that everything on there is bad. And I'm not saying go to Whop and start buying. I'm saying go to Whop, set up your profile, start selling on there, either as a seller, so you can be selling digital products, you can be as an affiliate on there. So the options are massive. And that's why I guess they called it the hidden gold mine, because a lot of people don't know this stuff. And as I said at the very bottom of my written review, platforms like this only stay secret for a short period of time, and then everybody gets to know them. Then then suddenly they're packed with all the people that are, selling on Warrior Plus. Yeah, they're over there selling whatever crap they can on whop.com, and it becomes crowded. Whop tighten up the rules because of all the scammers and spammers, and it's ruined. So I would say get onto this platform as fast as you can. And yeah, I recommend this product. I would, like I said, I always rate training is, can I follow along, and would I be happy if I bought this training? Yeah, I would be happy if I bought this training. I can 100% say that with ease and confidence. I would be happy if I bought this training, just because of the platform and the different amount of options that you get that you can do with the platform, plus all of the extra ways of driving traffic, which you don't even need to use to drive to Whop. Technically, you could use this different these different types of traffic to drive traffic to anywhere. So yeah, this is a great product. I mean, great would be the word that I would use. And I highly recommend it, guys. So remember, if you're on YouTube, click the link below, go to my website, scroll down to the bottom, read over the bonuses, take your time, read over the bonuses, and click here. And you'll go to the sales page, read over the sales page, and you have my review already. All right. Thanks for watching. Namaste, and I'll see you soon.